Now, there's hope that parents will respond positively to the vaccine drive for children slated to start on the weekend. Jamela Pullen has more in this primetime news follow-up.
The coronavirus not only a problem for senior citizens, but more and more children are getting sick.
Yes, there is a complication that is specific to children. It's a multi-inflammatory systemic disorder that we see in children that we've seen quite a bit of cases of.
Data from the Ministry of Health show that 7,783 persons between the ages 0 to 19 have already contracted the virus. In May this year, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration authorized the use of Pfizer vaccine for children and teens ages 12 to 15.
As far as the benefits go, there were two things they really looked at. One, does it actually prevent you from getting sick? And what they found was that in terms of serious illness, it seemed 100% protective, meaning everyone who got sick in those trials was in the placebo group and none in the vaccinated group. But also, is it making enough of these antibodies, these neutralizing antibodies, a term that everyone knows nowadays? In fact, the 12 to 15-year-olds made more antibodies than even people who are older. So their immune systems really react to this, and they make plenty of these antibodies.
Dr. Laws is imploring parents to let their children take the vaccine.
Of course, as a child advocate, I want to see face-to-face classes starting as soon as possible. And in the setting of the pandemic, I do believe that vaccination is our closest bet to getting back to life with normalcy.
The country received 200,000 doses of the Pfizer vaccine Thursday. A vaccination blitz has been planned for schools across the country. The National Parent-Teacher Association of Jamaica believes there will be a high take-up rate.
Of the 50-plus calls that we got through the day, 80% gave the thumbs up. The calls came from all wide cross-section of the Jamaican society, basic school, primary and secondary high schools. And the question was that, the comment was that they feel quite comfortable at this time, given having their children take the vaccine.
Before this, some parents were reportedly doubtful about the COVID vaccine for children. The association is planning a sensitization program to allay fears.
It has been planned in conjunction with the Ministry of Health and the Ministry of Education, yes.
When will this be?
We're planning to do so before the middle of September. We're in the process now of working out the logistics.
Jamela Pullen, TVJ News.